Want to create a Halloween theme intro that wow your audience? I'm gonna show you how to do it in this tutorial. Let's go. Okay, first up, this is what we're supposed to do, okay? Display. Okay, this is short, okay? This you trick or treat, okay? So that's roughly what we're gonna do, okay? Now first up, usually with Halloween theme, right, what are the common theme, okay? So we have pumpkins, so Halloween pumpkins, so I have all this stuff. Make sure you get PNG if you're gonna get it, okay? Pumpkin, Halloween theme. Okay, basically this is the sort of stuff we can do, okay, as an inspiration, okay? So we have bats, pumpkins, scary pumpkins, witches, spiders, okay? So that's the kind of thing that we want to skull all that stuff. So the common theme is something that people scare, okay? So that's what we want to animate, okay? But for this purpose, I just want to create a pumpkin, okay? So a pumpkin is a very common theme that people use, okay? Either you can get your PNG, PNG file, okay, from the net. Make sure it's free, okay? Make sure we can use it, or you can create your own, okay? I use Procreate to create my own theme, okay? So let me show you what I've done. So that's my pumpkin, okay? If you don't have Procreate, I suggest you to have it. It's not a program that can help you with. If you have an iPad, that's a program you should get as well, besides Lumafusion and Procreate, okay? One is for your thumbnails, that's what I use it for, okay? And create this kind of PNG file. I suggest it, you learn how to use it. If you need my help with learn how to use it, leave me down a comment below, okay? There's other people that are using it already. There's a lot of tutorials out there for you to learn how to use this already. So you don't need my help with this, okay? But just if you need my help, just leave a comment down below, and if I find the time to do it, I will do a tutorial to do like all this sort of stuff. So that's my creation, okay, roughly like that, okay? Nothing fancy. But what I did was I imported in Lumafusion layer by layer. So if you go here, right, I have a lot of layers. Each element I want to animate it. Okay, that's what you see at the beginning. So each element I created slowly. Okay. Now let's go back to Lumafusion. Okay, that's roughly what we do. Okay, this is short. Okay, to change, let me export it out first. This one, movie, photos. Okay, that's how quickly you export out in. Okay, take seconds. Okay. Okay, now what I want to do is change the resolution to 16:9 aspect ratio, so I can do more. Okay, that's my normal theme. Okay, since it's 16:9, right? I have. Okay, let me make it faster for myself. So all the stuff I have import everything in here, right? And I put in a layer in Lumafusion. Okay, so right now we can only do 6 layers of video. Okay. Let me see and do another, 6 maximum, okay? 6 maximum video layers we can do. So that is our limitation for now anyway, okay? For now. But in the future, there might be more, okay? Maybe next year I'll do a 12 tracks, okay? 12 tracks animation of the Halloween theme, okay? When they come out, okay? I don't know when it's coming out, but I'm sure, because I'm seeing the demonstration already. Look ahead forward to that, okay? But it's there right now. We can only do with 6 layers, okay? So what I do, I will go back and I don't do any animation at all. So start from blank, okay? So I have all these elements, but I will start from blank for you guys. It's 15 seconds long, okay? but it's Halloween theme, okay, so people can forgive us for that. So how creative can you get? It's up to you, okay, but I'll show you the method, okay, and you can run from there however you want it. Right now I have the pumpkin, okay, make sure you select the right clip. So I want to start from right there. Let me undo all this stuff. Let me show you the main element that we want. Okay, the bottom layer is mine. Okay, this one is my logo. Okay, so I want to use that because you want to promote yourself, right? You want to use your logo as your backdrop. Okay, instead of wasting another layer, you use your logo as your backdrop. Okay, so I use that as my main logo. So somewhere there, something like that. Okay, we haven't animated first. We just want to animate the pumpkin first. Okay, then we animate our logo at the end. Okay, this one. Start with each element. Think in terms of begin with the end in mind. So from there, right there. Okay, I want to be there. So click on the plus sign right there. Create keyframe, then you move back to the beginning. Boom, right there, and you animate it. So you just want to zoom out, big to small. Okay, that's what I want. And right at the end, it's like that. Play it again. Okay, that's one. Go to the next one. So this one gotta be something like that, right? So you want to keep a keyframe like that, right? Then you go to beginning, and you want to start from there. Then from there you can animate whatever you want. So I can go like that, too much. Okay, then play. Okay, this one probably not too precise. Okay. Oh, gotta do it again. Damn. Is that annoying? Wait. Undo. Yeah, thank God. Thank God for the undo. Okay, when it's done, go to the next one. So this one, we want to start at the end. Alright. Okay, just bounce it around this one. Okay, you keep doing that until you're happy with what you want. Okay, then you can always go back to it. Okay, but I'll just go quickly, do everything, then I'll show you guys at the end. Okay, the next stage we want to do. But the process is very similar. The thinking behind it. Okay, we've got the first element done. Let's play. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. People say, wow, what's going on there, yeah? Next one we want to animate the eyes, okay, all the eyes and stuff. So we have the mouth right there, right? Beginning with end in mind, boom, right there. Alright. Okay, something simple like that, don't have to be too crazy. If you need more time to do it, just take your time, because this is more very complex, very advanced Lumafusion. Could be random, don't have to be precise, but once you know how to use it, you can adjust whatever you want. Okay, just quickly show you guys how I would do it. Okay, right now I'm trying to do the last element. Okay, so I try to make it precise. Okay, it's better if you start from scratch. Otherwise, you'll be playing around with old elements. That's why I try to make it fast for you guys. But once you know how the process, very similar. There's nothing unique about how we do this stuff. Okay, I'm done. Roughly, okay. I just go roughly did it again. So let's play. Not ideal. Say, what the heck was that? People don't understand yet. Okay. So I need a lot of work to get it right. This was a rough job, okay? So it's not complete as I want, okay? But if you look at the short that I have export out, okay. Roughly, that's how you do. You can make it more so people understand what it is that you try to convey. But from the title, people understand already, okay? You can slow it down a little bit for people, so not too many elements that people don't recognize, okay? You can have to think about that as well. You can animate elements that people are recognized already, so people, yes, that is a Halloween theme. So I might have to adjust this a little bit to make it work for me. For example, you can add a spider, okay? And people will know that it's a Halloween theme. If you have a pumpkin, and it's not too abstract, people will know that is a Halloween theme. Okay. Now you can add a special effect to it. I have this one. Let's storm, rain and storm. Okay, let's have a look. Thunder. Okay, rain and thunder. I have this one here. I think this one better. Okay, roughly 15 seconds long. Something like that, okay, something like that, okay. But after you know about how to do animation, there's so many trickery you can do in Lumafusion, okay? Right now, I'll just do a rough job for you guys, okay? Because right now I have the camera on with me, so a bit more pressure. But if you have more time, go in here and adjust whatever you have to adjust, okay? Okay. So all those keyframes, okay, elements, you can adjust however you want it, okay? For me, make sure you use the eye here. So you want to go one element at a time. So to make a precise adjustment to your keyframe, add music, so make it more impactful. Okay. So you have the special effect with the thunder, and you might want to add a create music dark theme that you want. Okay. So for me, I could use a laughter. Okay, a scary laughter, for example, as a special effect. Okay, for example, something like that. Okay, something weird, odd, scary, something like that. Okay, to add it to your special effect. Okay, right now I have a microphone with me, so I can do this kind of effect. Okay, that's how you do your mix. Okay, it's all a part of the creative process. Okay, my friend, I just showed you what roughly I would do. Okay, so each element of the pumpkin you can animate it to make one big one. The eyes, nose, you'll make different elements for that and make into a pumpkin. Then at the end, you want to convey everything at the end and animate it. Okay, I probably go too much with it, so people don't know, hey, what's going on here. Okay, people that might don't understand it. That's why you have to think of your user when you do your animation. Do they understand what we try to convey there as well? So think of your audience when you do your animation. My name is Travis Chow. I'm a TimelapseNuts. If you find the content valuable, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll make this kind of content for you to better yourself as a shooter, video editor. I'll see you next time with another tutorial. Bye.